Hi class, it's Mrs. Downing. We are going to do some phonogram writing practice today. This is week 6 phonogram writing practice. This is the last one we're going to be doing, so this is the last phonogram practice you'll do as kindergartners, but you'll also get to practice your phonograms a lot as first graders. Okay, so since it's our last one, we'll just do 5 again, and we're going to make them kind of easy ones because it's good to review the ones that we think are really easy, because even though they're easy, if we don't review them, we'll forget. So we're going to do some easier ones. Make sure you have your writing paper ready. If you don't have your phonogram writing paper, just get a normal piece of paper and get ready to go. Okay, pause the computer whenever you need some time to write. We're going to start with the phonogram that says ya, I. Okay, repeat that. Ya, I. Write it down. Okay, you got it? Remember, always pause it if you need more time. That phonogram is ya, I. It is Y. Okay, the Y can make those 3 sounds. Let's look at how I wrote it. This is how I wrote my Y. You see my mistake? Yep, my big mistake is that I made it too big. It's not supposed to be all the way up there touching my top line. My Y should actually start below my imaginary middle line, slant, and at the other side I slant and I go fishing. So my Y should be fishing. And you can also do your Y like this. That's fine as well. Just make sure that's fishing and the hook is going the right way. Okay? Ya, I. The 3 sounds Y makes. Okay, let's do our next one. The next phonogram is ah. Repeat it with me. Ah. Super easy. I want everyone to get this. Write it down. Make it the best you can be. Okay, that is A. A can say A, and ah. So it's important to remember that A can make all 3 of those sounds so that when you're reading, you're not confused if it doesn't just say ah. Okay? Now, we don't write our A's like this. This is how computers do A's. We don't do it like that. To do an A, well, first let's make a mistake, okay? Let's see, this will be my mistake. What is the problem? My tail is going too low. It's fishing, and A's don't like to go fishing. So that's bad. Let's do a better one. My A starts at 2 on the clock, up, down, around, and a little tail that ends at the baseline, just like that. Okay? Even if you did a great A, I want you to write down another great one. Make sure they're lowercase. And let's keep going. Let's see if we can do a fast round of phonograms today. Our next one is I. Repeat. I. Okay, write it down. Pause if you need more time. All right, I is I. I can say and it can say I. It's a vowel, which means it says its name and it says its other sound, just like A. Okay, and Y sometimes. So this is saying its name and its special sound, I. Okay, let's write it. Okay, do you see my problem? The mistake I made is that my I is too long. I need to keep it under my imaginary middle line. So I do a short line and then my dot. Okay, see that one's way too long, so I don't like this one. Okay, short line, which means it stays under your middle line. Okay, let's keep going. Only 2 more to do. We're going to get through this fast, but remember, always pause and give yourself time. There's no need to rush it. You have plenty of time. Okay, your next phonogram is D. Repeat. D. Super easy. Okay, you guys all know this one. Okay, what is it? It's D. Okay, D says duh. D says duh. Okay, catch my mistake. What's my problem? I did a B instead of a D, and that can be tricky. People can get that mixed up, but here's a way to remember it. A lowercase b kind of looks like an uppercase B, but without the top bump. okay? But a lowercase d starts at 2 on the clock, and it goes on that side, okay? So a B kind of looks like it's uppercase B, but D faces a totally different way, okay? So this isn't the D, that's our D. It says duh. Okay, very last one. The phonogram is k-s. Repeat, k-s. Write it. Okay, the phonogram is C. C can say k and s. Okay, like in the word scent, it uses its s sound. Okay, let's get our C going. Okay, what's my mistake? It's backwards. But I did good keeping it under my imaginary middle line. C is 2 at the clock, up, down, and you stop. And it's not quite touching my baseline, so it's not perfect. But you can see it should make sure you start at 2 on the clock and go around and then stop. Okay, and that's all the phonograms. That was a really quick round. Mostly because I know you guys are pretty good at your phonograms already, right? So we didn't have to do too much. Okay, draw a heart or a circle around the best one you drew. If you want to practice some more, feel free to just have your mom or dad say some of the phonograms and try and write them down, because more practice is always good. Okay, and that was our last phonogram practice. So great job, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.